Now we're going to go into our grounding series. So really the goal of this is just to really root down through your feet.
All right, what's the first pose?
So we just left you in tree. For now, we're just gonna go straight to down dog. Right leg forward, warrior 2.
Again, feel free to put this leg down, step through, warrior 2.
Straighten both legs. Yep, make sure you're not locking your knee out too much. Triangle pose.
I like to have 2 blocks. Sarah can grab me another block.
Yep.
Either put your hand flat, whatever makes you feel stable and comfortable. And again, we're trying to, let me switch sides, open up our chest. You could even have it as high as you want. Just so your back is nice and straight, your chest is nice and wide. These blocks help me achieve a little bit of a healthy twist, so I'm not wrenching my back.
Yeah, the important part about this pose is exactly what Logan was saying, of keeping your spine really extended. What I like to do before I go into this pose is from warrior 2, so here, straighten both legs, and then reach as far forward as possible, and elongate your spine, and then fold where you can. Again, blocks are awesome here, wherever you can hold on to.
And if you don't have blocks, you have legs. So I like to take my thumb and either put it just below my knee or on my thigh and spread my fingers so they're nice and fanned out and open up. And you could go down below your knee as well.
Point your toes for the camera. Rise up. Wide leg forward fold.
And the forward fold. I remember when I was in class, this was always really intimidating to me because people could put their heads on the ground. So bring the ground up to you. Again, 2 blocks. 2 blocks, hold them in the middle, wherever you feel comfortable on your feet being out. And then I have a place to put my head. And then eventually, lower, lower.
Is what Logan was saying, but instead of your head, if you want to, like a little bit more.
Oh, that looks nice.
Yeah, just to give you the earth a little bit closer. And the benefit for me in this pose is really in my neck, in my shoulders.
And again, this could be a lot for somebody. So let's get our chair, excuse me, and whatever feels comfortable. And that's fine, because that'll take a lot of your body weight out of your lower back, because we're putting it into the chair.
Or even if like folding through feels like a lot, like that might be enough.
Yeah, you could straighten your back out like this, and you're just putting some nice pressure into your hamstrings, and the chair is taking a lot of your body weight. So we're moving into pyramid pose. Feet on railroads, a little bit wide.
Fold forward. Just fold over your leg.
And so Sarah could fold over her leg. Me, I can't do that. So what I do, with blocks in hand, reach out until you hit the ground. If you need more, get more. There we go, that feels good. Getting flexibility in my lower back has been a huge challenge for me. So whatever makes you feel comfortable. And Sarah, let me see your pyramid again.
And ultimately, I know we were saying he wanted a flat back, but it's okay to let go in your head and shoulders, because I actually feel a similar sensation.
And you'll have a release in your lower back, and it gives you a nice stretch in your calf and your hamstrings as well. Revolving triangle is like so. So this was near impossible for me in the beginning, and it's still not comfortable for me. So I'm gonna get another block. And it's just about trying to open your chest towards your front foot. That's gonna be difficult, so let's get our chair.
Yeah, see how his spine, now that he has that extra earth under it there, is a lot more straight, a lot more opening in your chest.
Moving on.